welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So I am really excited. As you know, I've been working with Natalie Attired for a little bit now, and I have I think this is my classic collection. We'll find out when I get into it. It's heavy, so classic has 5 pieces and usually the limited has 3 or 4. But I have an announcement to make. I mentioned to you guys that I had several companies that I was partnering with for the months of November and December to bring the gifts back to you guys for the holiday season. And Natalie Attired is giving one of you guys a $150 gift certificate. So generous. That's almost like, a lot of times once you have the discount applied to your Natalie Attired, that's about an entire complete like thing of clothes for you. So you might get 5 items for that. So I'm really excited to help put you in style for the holiday season with some brand new clothes. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel and comment down below, and I'm going to take a cue from my friend Kayla, who has one on her channel, a giveaway too, and also you're going to see some of the other girls do as well. Let that be a surprise to you. But Kayla had you put something that you were grateful for, or put the word grateful in the comments. You're going to use the word blessed, and let me know in the comments below why you are so blessed. And that's it. Really just be a subscriber and comment, and then I will pick a winner on Friday the 27th of November for our channel. So I'm super excited to bring this to you. Thank you so much, Natalie Attired, for sponsoring the giveaway. Now we're gonna get into the clothes. Hold on. All right, are you ready? 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 Let's get into the clothing. See what we got. All right, let's get in here. Oh, I might need scissors. I do, hold on. All right, I got it open. One thing I want to mention to you guys, at the end of this video, make sure you watch this all the way to the end. There's going to be a hint about something coming. So if you don't watch the whole video, you won't know what it is. All right, let's get into my package. I got Nitro walking back and forth, back and forth. I don't know, he's like pacing. I think he misses Mackenzie and he wants her. Go lay down, buddy. All right, so here is my bundle. I can't tell if there's 4 or 5 items in here, so I don't know if this is limited or classic, but we'll find out. All right, looks like there's 5. Hi, Terry. Okay, she goes on and tells me what she's crushing on right now and what she sent me. And Renee is my stylist, and they always write a handwritten note, which is so nice and so rare, right? So rare these days. We have our list of our stuff with our credits, and if you keep, with Natalie Attired, if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20% off. If you keep all 5, you get 30% off. And if you just keep 1 item, your $20 styling fee will come off and you'll get credited. Also, you have a priority mailer for anything that you don't love or don't want to keep. I already see something on the top that I like. All right, so we'll go over prices at the end too. So I'll give you a hint at the end and prices at the end. So this first one is by Byron Bat. I've never heard of this brand. This must be a new one. It is an animal print top. It's kind of like a fleece material. It's gray and then a charcoal gray, a light gray, and then like a baby blue. Look at that. This I like. This is the piece I was telling you about I like. So I don't really like a lot of animal print other than like the traditional animal print. Do you like how I paired that with pink? I'm being wild today. But this isn't so bad. I like the gray animal prints too. This I think will be really cozy. It's super, super soft. And I do think that I'm going to like this. So that's exciting. All right. The next item is kind of a burnt sienna color. This is by Fabfitfun, which I have heard of. And this is the, it just says sleeve neck V-twirl top in pumpkin. So it's pumpkin color, and which I like. This is a good color for me. And this is a blouse for work. It is a V-neck blouse. And the only concern I have with this is it feels like that material that's gonna shrink. That's the only thing I'm worried about. So it's got 3/4 length sleeves, and it does have a little keyhole here and a little pumpkin button that matches the fabric on here. I think I'm going to like this, but I think I'm going to be worried about how to wash this without ruining it. So, and I don't know if she sized me up. I feel like this might need a size up. So I don't even see the tag on it to tell you guys. Oh, here it is. Okay, so hand wash. That's what I thought. It's 100% rayon. That's what I thought. I like this, but I don't know if I'll keep this because I think I will shrink it. It depends. I mean, if it's so cute, then maybe I just need a deal, right? So I guess it also depends on what the price is as well. So it's a nice item. All right, next. Oh, 2 pieces in one right here. So we have a motor jacket and a shirt underneath it. Let's start with the shirt under it. So this is by Boulevard, and oh, this is perfect because I told you guys, so Kayla used the word grateful, and I told you guys that I wanted to use the word blessed for the comments, and it says thankful and blessed on here. How perfect. It's like it was meant to be. I watched her video before I did this, and I loved her idea of using, you know, grateful in the comments, and I was like, oh, it's Thanksgiving. That's so perfect. What word can I use? And I came up with blessed. Maybe somebody else will use thankful, but there we go. If they do it, I don't know if they're going to do it. That is so cute, and I like this tee. All right. And then the moto jacket is by Audrey and by Unit. Audrey, Andre by Unit is, I'm going to show you guys because I'm probably messing that up. All right, and it is a black, like, faux suede moto jacket. This is really cute. However, I do have a moto jacket in black already. I'll have to compare them and see if I like this one more than the one I currently have, but I do like that a lot. All right, and last but not least, I got some black leggings. I think they're pant leggings. They're by Celio. Yep. They're, and she did size up in this in the jacket. So the jacket is a large. I think my current jacket's a medium, and these look like they needed to be sized up. So these are a size large, and they kind of look small. So let's hope they still fit. Although I said that about those really expensive jeans I got in my trunk club. I thought they looked really small too, and maybe my depth perception is off because those fit me. So, or I think I'm bigger than I am, one of the two. All right, guys, so I am going to get trying everything on. You get busy commenting and using the word grateful in there and subscribing, and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, so here is the first top, and it's really pretty. It's really pretty. I love the colors of it there. So you can see it's got sort of like black and cream in the design of it. It's really a great fit right at the moment. It does have some couple buttons here and some pleating that kind of pulls in here. Then I have the black pant leggings. They fit really nice. They're actually a little bit loose, which is fine. Sometimes we need that during holiday season. But this is one of those tops that kind of pulls you in a little bit on the side, the way it falls. So I just have it laying out right now so you can see the full length. But if I'm wearing this with work pants, it's probably gonna be tucked in, or like a pencil skirt or something like that. So it is longer in the back. And I'm just gonna step back so you guys can see. It's a cute outfit. And I am 5'2" for reference, and I am currently a size 8. So here we go. And I say currently because it changes. I have a thyroid issue, so sometimes I'm a 10, sometimes I'm a 6. Right now I'm right in the middle, and I'm an 8. So here we are. And I just have little black flats on. So I'm not gonna, I don't know if this will, I guess I'd give you a little bit of an indicator of what it looks like tucked in. I wouldn't tuck it into leggings, but I would tuck it into dress pants. So here it is, tucked in. And sometimes that's nice. It just gives you a little bit more shape. We're gonna keep the bottoms on and try the other tops on. I like this. I like the cool tone vibe of this little leopard print gray and blue. I really like this. It's super cozy. It is so soft. I feel like a lot of people are going to want to request this one, and you can request my stylist, which is Renee, and you can request any of the things that you see me try on. So I think this is like cozy, almost like you're wearing PJs, this top, but it's so cute. Just a pair of jeans and some like Skechers or something, or I don't know, whatever you wear in your feet, little sneakers, white sneakers, super cute, or gray sneakers would be cute if you had them. So this is really nice. Yeah, I think I like this one, you guys. You'll have to tell me what you think. I don't know what that stream of light, there's a stream of light. Can you guys see? Oh, it's coming out of the Bless This House. It's going both ways. I was like, what is that on the screen? All right, bless again. There's just signs everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna try on, now all we have left is the Thankful and Blessed t-shirt and the moto jacket next. Okay, so let's start by looking at the moto jacket. Here it is, all the way around, not zipped up, and I'll show you what it looks like zipped. And I'm glad she sized up in this, because while a medium would have fit me fine, if you want to wear like a sweater or something under it and you have to zip it, because motos come over a little, I might have had trouble like zipping it up with other stuff. So, oops, that doesn't feel like it locked. Hold on. Having a zippy issue. There we go, maybe. There we go. So you can, if I wanted to zip it all up, you can tuck this in. The zipper on this is not being wonderful. I don't know if it's just me or... There it is, zipped all the way up. There's what that looks like. And then at the bottom, it just sort of has like little opening, kind of little flare opening. I don't think most people wear moto jackets all the way up. I know I don't. So here is what it looks like, just partially done. Nice, it fits me really well in the arms. Your clothing should come to between here on your hands and right in the middle of your hands. So when your hands are down, so when I'm down, they come just above my, like above my knuckles. So that is a perfect length for me. So yeah, so this is a really, really nice jacket. I'd probably do it up a little bit more. You guys have to let me know what you think about the jacket. All right, so let's look at the cute little t-shirt. I love the t-shirt. It's really pretty and it's cozy. It's a soft tee. It's one of those tees that you're gonna wanna grab for when you just need to grab a t-shirt. This would be a good one. It's got beautiful rainbow colors. It's got a little arrow with a heart on it, and it says Thankful and Blessed, and I love it. So there is the tee. Okay guys, so that's the end of the try-on. Stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you the prices of everything, and also I have a hint for something coming up for you guys. Okay, let's start out with what I'm wearing. So I have the t-shirt on, and that, where is it? Okay, so round neck graphic tee. So this is expensive t-shirt. It's $38. It's a nice t-shirt though, but it's, you know, it's a graphic tee and some of those are pricey. The pants, I really like these. I think I'm gonna keep these for work. They are by Celio and they are only $39, and that's a fantastic. They're not really, they're like a legging pant. They're not really like a pure legging. They're definitely a notch above, like a little bit more dressier than a legging. So definitely something you can wear to work, but they're a pant leg. All right, and then this guy, I need your help with this, matches. I like this, and she didn't size me up in this. This is a medium, so I am worried that this, and it fits perfectly, but if it shrinks, I'll be mad at myself for spending the money, because this one is $49. I really like this, but for 50 bucks, I'm so scared about it. Ugh, I need your help with that one, guys. And then our animal print top is $42. Great price. Really, really love this. Was so cozy. It's something I'd wear around the house and out. I like them, liked it both. And this, the moto jacket, is $66, and I think that's a great price. Even if you just got a box and kept this, you'd get your $20 off, so this would be $46 for you. So either way, it's wonderful. So for a total of $234 for the entire collection, but if you keep all of it, it drops the price after 30% to $149.80. So see, that's what I'm talking about, sorry. That is what I'm talking about. If you win the $150 giveaway, you might be able to keep your entire box of clothing and not pay a penny. And that would be incredible, wouldn't it? All right, so you guys want a hint. I want you to check out my starting December 1st, I have a special announcement for you guys, and it's a big one. It's a big, big, big giveaway. So make sure you are watching all of my videos around the time of December 1st, because it's going to be announced. Also, aside from me doing a giveaway and Kayla, there's a couple more of us that are doing this giveaway, so you have a couple opportunities to win the $150. Natalie Attired is also running a giveaway on their Instagram and Facebook pages, so go over there, follow them, and you can get entered in their giveaways as well. So there's several giveaways. There's going to be several winners. There's going to be one winner on my channel for this, one on Kayla's for hers, and 2 other ladies are doing a giveaway. And then also Natalie Attired is doing a giveaway. So for a total of 5 giveaways, $150 each. So as we get going, I'll list the other girls too. I want to give them the opportunity to announce it themselves, and then I will list you can come back here and their names will be here as well, so you can follow them. So I hope you guys are excited. Make sure you're watching videos around December 1st, because there's a big, big, big something coming for one of you guys. All right, I will see you guys all in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe on your way out and write something that you are blessed, something that's blessed you, or use the word blessed in your comment to get entered into the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.